choosing the right broker for you can be quite a difficult task. But today I'm going to show you the best new broker in town, Stoic FX. I've been using Stoic FX for the last couple of months now, and they are an extremely competitive broker. So today I'm going to run you through the website, how to sign up, and just show you how competitive they are.
This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only.
Let's jump into the video. So guys, here we are on the Stoic FX website, and you can see it is a very good looking, very clean website. Personally, I find it very easy on the eyes. Now you can see it's super easy to open an account, but we're going to get to that in a bit. I just want to show you around a bit first. One thing I particularly liked with Stoic FX is their transparency. You can see here that they have straightforward fee structures in place which eliminate hidden charges. So what you see is what you pay. This basically means that when you're depositing or withdrawing or paying for anything, the transparency is there and you're not going to succumb to any other fees other than what you see. This is pretty refreshing considering I've run into issues on previous brokers where they have charged me hidden costs. One of the main things as a scalper myself is I need high liquidity. I need small spreads because I need to get in at the earliest point possible to capture the best R&R. One thing Stoic FX actually have is they have a high-speed infrastructure which aims to minimize slippage. So whether you are a beginner or you are an advanced trader, you do get competitively low spreads. So you would never have to worry about getting filled in with high slippage. One thing that I look for when I am choosing a broker is I would like the live chat to be pretty consistent. And one thing with Stoic FX is that they have 24/5 customer service, which means that they are open 24 hours every day of the working week. Now, this is good because I trade Forex pairs, so Saturday and Sundays are my day off anyway. So it's nice to know that during the week, if I have any issues, I can contact them with their 24-hour service. Now, when we're talking about market access, you will get the Forex pairs, you'll get indices and commodities and cryptocurrencies. So all the main ones. I personally trade Forex. I like to get involved in cryptocurrency. I do trade gold every now and then, so the indices and commodities do come in handy. So Stoic FX really does have everything that I personally need, and the majority of you will. Now, you can see here below, they have listed 8 powerful benefits of trading with Stoic FX. Ultra competitive spreads, fast and reliable execution, a wide range of markets, secure and compliant environment, user-friendly platforms and tools, easy deposits and withdrawals, dedicated education and support, and flexible account types and leverage. So a lot to unpack here, but all of these are pretty self-explanatory. So, you know, it's quite easy and they are quite transparent in what you are signing up to. Now, with the deposits and withdrawals, this is quite a key factor when choosing a broker. So $10 minimum deposit and $20 minimum withdrawal. Now, as a Forex trader, that is nothing. So in terms of cost of getting involved, you know, it's very minimal. And then heading over to the platforms, I like to use MT5 and that's what they have. So for me, it was just super easy to get set up and get going. Then obviously near the bottom of the page, they have all of their reviews. So as you can see, 5 stars all around. You know, I was completely new to trading when I opened my account with Stoic FX. Their educational resources made it simple to learn the ropes, and within a few months I started seeing consistent gains. I finally feel confident managing my own investments. You know, this is one of many reviews that shine really nicely on Stoic FX. I haven't left a review myself, but you can bet it's going to be in there soon. And then obviously at the bottom, you have your customer support where you can get in touch, you know, if you have any issues going forward. One other thing with Stoic FX is they do have an affiliate program. So this is where if you like Stoic FX, you can obviously promote it to your friends, to your family, whoever wants to get involved with trading. And then you can obviously earn on them signing up as well. So to unpack that a little bit, embrace the opportunity to join Stoic FX affiliate network, where disciplined effort yields a minimum of $2.50 per lot traded, with no limit to your potential rewards. Through our tiered commission structure, you may strive for greater returns by pursuing higher rates. Build your network by guiding traders and sub-affiliates with virtue, and utilize our marketing tools and steadfast supportive culture success. So this basically means if you're struggling with trading, or if you're good at trading, or basically if you have a good network, you can start making bonuses from them participating with Stoic FX. This is one of the more powerful promotional tools that I've seen used, and for me, I'll be getting involved as well. So getting started, super simple. Head to getting started and you'll be redirected to this page. So all you'll need to do is fill out your email, your password, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your country. And once you've done that, you click continue, and this leads you on to the next page where you just finalize some details. So the sign up process is very easy to find, super simple to fill out, and it is just dead easy to get going, guys. So as you can see, guys, Stoic FX are a very competitive broker. They've got a very good looking website, and the sign up process is super simple. All the information you need are in the description below. So go ahead, click those links, get involved, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you want to be alerted on my next videos.